Welcome to The Explainer. You know, in your home, right now, there's a silent guardian just waiting to protect you from a danger a lot of us just overlook. So today, we're diving into the smart technology that turns a simple warning into a truly life-saving action.
Look, we all rely on flammable gases pretty much every single day, right? In our homes, in our industries. But that convenience, it carries a silent risk, one that honestly often goes completely unnoticed until it's way too late.
Just think about that for a second. We're so used to alarms that just tell us when something's already wrong. But what if our tech could take it a step further? What if I could go from just warning us to actually stopping a disaster before it even starts? That shift, well, that's the whole idea we're digging into today.
And the stakes are incredibly high. We're not just talking about a little flame here. A single leak has the potential to trigger a catastrophic explosion. I mean, that can lead to massive property damage, serious injuries, or even the tragic loss of life.
So what are we working with right now? Well, on one side, you've got the manual shutoff valve. It's totally reactive, you have to physically be there, and you have to know there's a problem to even use it. Then on the other side, we have alarms. They're great at yelling at you that there's a leak, but that's all they do. They don't actually stop it.
And this is where innovation really steps in. By making the whole response automatic, we can build a smart safety solution that completely changes the game, moving us from just reacting to danger to actively preventing it.
The concept here is actually pretty simple, but it is so powerful. It's a system that doesn't just ring a bell, it takes immediate, decisive action. By instantly detecting that leak and shutting off the gas supply right at the source, it becomes an active guardian for your home, not just some passive bystander.
Okay, so let's get into it. Let's see what makes this system tick. It's really a fantastic fusion of some clever hardware and software all working together in perfect sync.
The easiest way to think about it is like a little three-part team. First up, you've got the MQ5 gas sensor, which is basically the nose. It's always sniffing the air for trouble. Next is the ESP32, a tiny computer that's the brain of the operation, processing everything the nose tells it. And finally, you have the solenoid valve. That's the muscle, which takes direct physical action the second the brain gives the command.
And the key here is speed. This whole thing is an instantaneous chain reaction. The nose smells the leak, the brain processes it in a fraction of a second, and it triggers the muscle to slam that gas line shut. And at the exact same time, it alerts you with a local buzzer and shoots a notification straight to your phone.
And this is what makes the system truly smart. It's not just some isolated gadget. You're getting real-time alerts. You can monitor it and even control it remotely from an app on your phone. And this is critical. A battery backup means it keeps you safe even if the power goes out. You can even set it up to automatically notify the fire department with your exact location.
So you see, all of this adds up to something way more significant than just another alarm. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of what gas safety is supposed to be.
Yeah, and this quote from the source material really just nails it. This device doesn't just tell you there might be a fire, it literally takes the fuel away from the fire. Think of it like this. It's the difference between a smoke alarm and a fire sprinkler system. This is preventative action.
For any safety device, reliability is absolutely non-negotiable, right? And that's why its fail-safe design is so important. With a rechargeable battery backup, it keeps on protecting your home even when the power goes out, which, let's be honest, is often when you need it the most.
So, okay, this is obviously a game changer for a single home or a business. But when you zoom out and you look at the bigger picture, the potential impact of a device like this on society as a whole, well, it's truly massive.
This one innovation creates these huge positive ripples all across society. Socially, it saves lives. Economically, it prevents devastating financial losses. Environmentally, it cuts down on wasted gas and those harmful emissions. And technologically, it's just a perfect example of how connected devices, the whole Internet of Things, can make our lives tangibly, measurably safer.
And these benefits, they really extend to everyone. Households get peace of mind, industries can protect their workers and avoid incredibly costly downtime. And the general public gets to have more trust in our gas infrastructure. And the best part? This isn't some dead-end tech. It's designed to be future-ready, ready to integrate with the smart homes of tomorrow.
So, this automatic safety valve, it isn't just a clever gadget. It's really a blueprint for a future where our own homes are actively protecting us from harm. And it leaves us with this really fascinating question. As our technology and our homes get smarter and smarter, what other dangers are we going to teach them to see and to stop before they can even begin?